Trevor Luce here with Piratecom, just showing one of our newest, latest and greatest pieces of technology here, our wireless module. What it does is it allows up to 6 people, fully voice activated, full duplex, to talk within a half-mile range of one another. The noise canceling ability allows up to 152 decibel noise cancellation, which is extremely high. As you can see, a wide range of applications, from go fast to airboating to municipal work, tugboats, all along. So please take a look at our website at www.piratecom.com.